This is the ONN 4K Pro streaming box. This is for someone looking for a video streaming solution to watch all their favorite shows and movies who doesn't want to spend more than 50 bucks on the thing. It's a device that will deliver more than it is worth, and in this video, I'm going to explain why. Greetings and welcome to Dreamin' Digital. If you're the type of person who misses going to your local Circuit City to buy your favorite movie or video game and then getting lost for an hour testing out all the new tech, well then, my friends, you've come to the right place and I welcome you home. Alright guys, here we have it. We're going to go ahead and do a proper unboxing. So I did buy this quite a long time ago. Some of them were coming with like these nice backlit, well not, I wouldn't say nice, but these backlit remotes that were a little bit elevated to the original, just complete trash remotes they were including with it. So I don't know which remote is in here. So here's the hoping that we get the backlit one, but if we don't get the backlit one, I'm not gonna be too upset, but at the same time, I really want the backlit one. So let's go ahead and find out what's going on. So it just opens right up. It's not sealed or anything, whatever. Quick start guide right on top. To the left, we got... Okay, here we go. We got the power. And then we got the little box right on top. Right here. That's the unit. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see what's up with this remote. Oh no! Damn! I did not get the backlit remote. Damn. That sucks. HDMI cable in case you need one. So mad now. And I really am. I'm really upset. And these generic alkaline batteries. That's it. Alright guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and unpackage the unit. The unit. Here it is. I think the form factor is actually pretty cool. Mainly because it's very small, so you could literally put this anywhere in your entertainment center, in your area, on a nightstand, wherever the hell you have your TV, this thing will more than likely fit. Now, a lot of people were bummed out that you can't really put it on the back of your TV. A lot of people do that, especially with the stuff with the Amazon Fire Sticks and things you just plug right in. However, I think this thing's cool. It looks cool. It has a cool, a cloth vibe on top. I don't see this as a con. I don't see the fact that I can't put it on my TV as a con. I don't care about that. So, it's not gonna look bad. At least when sitting on your entertainment center, it's not gonna look bad at all. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna take the unit, my quick start guide, my ugly unlit back remote. My power supply. I already have an HDMI cable, so I'm good there. So I'm going to take all this, I'm going to get this rocking and rolling, and we're going to see exactly what I think of this thing. I'm only guessing you've made it this far into the video because you want to genuinely know why this is a device that delivers more than it's worth. It's not often any tech product on the market is discovered to have this type of value proposition. However, this is a Walmart-inspired product we are talking about here, which even more so boggles my mind that the great value Google Chromecast over here impressed me enough to warrant me paying homage to the thing. Look, I've had an NVIDIA Shield TV Pro for the last 5 years. NVIDIA hasn't upgraded it or released a new model because they never needed to. They built the Shield TV Pro so damn good that they rode that sucker into the sunset. To be quite honest, Walmart won't be able to do the same with the 4K Pro because there are a few opportunities there, but for all intents and purposes, they nailed it with this little device at the price point they've presented it at. Look, I don't want to waste your time going through every freaking mundane thing about this device in some boring diatribe. Flat out, just get rid of the speaker on top of the thing. I don't need this to compete with Alexa. The last thing I want is to come home one day and these two devices are cussing each other out. For those of you who need a Google Home device, ONN decided to put one in it. I don't see a point. This device has one job: put a Google TV UI containing all my favorite apps on my screen in 4K. That's it. Now, it goes beyond that, of course, but at its core, that's the reason I bought it. The back of the device is straightforward. Let's talk about the 10 to 100 Ethernet port for a second. This is an easy one. Get rid of the damn Google Home speaker crap and throw in a gigabit port instead, because anyone with a reasonable Wi-Fi connection will best the 100 megabits per second this Ethernet port provides by using the Wi-Fi 6 feature on this device. It has an HDMI port that will send Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos signals to your AVR or your wherever. That's huge for those of you with home theaters, nice TVs, or media systems that support these technologies. Now, it does have a USB 3.0 port, which will allow you to play files from a thumb drive or external hard drive. So if you haven't quite built your media server out yet, this device will allow you to play your files until you get your life in order and build your own server. I have a video that I just made that will help you get started. I'll throw a link down below. It does come with this remote here. I'm sorry, it's not just on Roku, Amazon, Google. They are all guilty of sourcing these off-the-shelf generic remotes. There's nothing notable or remarkable about them. They do the very basic foundational tasks. Now, this one in particular can control the power of my TV and the volume of my soundbar, which is nice, very cool. That is one thing nobody has been ever able to get over on the NVIDIA Shield. I absolutely love the Shield's remote. It's basic, but it's cool, and it feels, expensive. These plasticky suckers, whatever, I didn't buy it for the remote.
But you did.
Just to paint the picture for you here, I'm connected to my 98-inch TCL QM8 using an HDMI cable, and for sound I have TCL's Q85 soundbar connected to the TV via eARC. That's the signal chain. I didn't expect much from the middle-of-the-road quad-core Cortex A55 CPU they decided to use. Kind of a mid processor, but it's actually smooth. That also means it's much smoother than I expected for this price. I honestly thought this was going to be a laggy disaster. I'm pleasantly surprised and happy that I was wrong. That's what I get for assuming, I suppose. The UI is almost identical to the one provided on my TCL TV since they're both Google TV, so the onboarding process for me was easy because I've already done it. Honestly, all you need to do is log into your Google account. It gives you the option to use your phone for all the setup stuff, and then you're set. There's nothing worse than having to literally manually enter your details and Wi-Fi and password into the device using the provided remote. By using your phone, it only takes a few minutes to get up and running. The apps are very responsive. I tried several different apps and they all worked as advertised. I wanted to test out its ability to stream from my Plex server, and it did not disappoint. I can watch all my Plex content through this device without any issues, and it loads up super quick. All the apps load up super quick. The experience was pleasant. It's honestly no slower or faster than the NVIDIA Shield. Aside from the remote and the Android operating system on the Shield, I'd say the experience is actually fairly similar. I'm looking forward to experimenting with the AI screensaver feature, where it lets you create your own background to use as a screensaver using prompts through an AI engine. That actually is a cool feature. I'm always a bit skeptical when I see anything Walmart branded, because sometimes you'll win and sometimes you'll lose big. But in the case of the ONN 4K Pro, this is a win. Its feature set is almost identical to its competitors at much higher prices, but it's also the experience. The smooth operation paired with the amazing visuals, great sound, has made for a well-rounded and validated product that has exceeded its price point and value. It's always a good day when you find products that give you maximum bang for the buck. Thanks everyone for sticking it out till the end. I do have a Patreon you can join. Those links will be available down below. I do have a lot of fun projects planned for this channel, so if you're digging my content and want more, make sure to subscribe to the channel, bond with the like button.
Did we just become best friends? Yup! You wanna go do karate in the garage? Yup!
And then ring the bell to get notified every time I launch a new video. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Take care.